Hello friends, you're watching India Today Tech, and this video I'm going to unbox the smaller Galaxy, the Galaxy S9. We've already unboxed and reviewed the Galaxy S9 Plus, and I'll leave the link in the description below. Let's take a look at the specifications of the Galaxy S9. They're slightly different when we compare it with the S9 Plus, and the major part is the display. So the Galaxy S9 has a 5.8-inch display, while the S9 Plus had a 6.3-inch display. But the resolution is same, that is Quad HD Plus, and it's a Super AMOLED panel. At the back as well, the S9 has a single camera. It's a dual pixel 12 megapixel sensor with OIS and variable aperture. At front it has 8 megapixel camera. There are stereo speakers on it. The phone is IP68 water and dust resistant. There's iris and face recognition. The phone has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, which is also expandable via microSD card. And the phone supports wireless charging and comes with headphones inside the box. So let's quickly take the phone out of the box, and in this video we'll also compare the phone side by side with the S9 Plus, and we'll tell you by the end of the video which one you should buy. The S9 being more handy gives you a better ergonomic feel, and there are less chances of the phone being dropped. So this is the S9 guys. Like the S9 Plus, you get a case, a clear case, a transparent case which is also flexible. Then there is some paperwork, the quick start guide, transferring your data both in English and Hindi, the regional lock guide, which means the phone will need an Indian SIM to start, and then there is the warranty card, the warranty being only given in India, and the SAR certificate which says that the SAR for head is 0.298 watt per kg. Next there is the phone itself in coral blue color. We had the Galaxy S9 Plus as well in the same color, and we'll take a look at both of these in a bit. First, let's power up the device and take a look at the other box contents. Next, there is a power adapter with 2 ampere of power output, a converter that allows you to access pen drives directly onto your phone, a Type-C cable, and earphones from AKG which have volume controls and a mic. There are also 2 pairs of earbuds, large and small in size. Okay, now let's quickly set up the S9. So I've set up the Galaxy S9, and boy, it's quite a handy device. Compared to the S9 Plus, it's very handy, and I don't believe that the phone could have a 5.8-inch display. Samsung has really done a great job at packing great screen area in a small form factor. Of course, the fingerprint scanner has been a great improvement. It was placed up here before on the S8 and comes down below the camera for easy accessibility. Though it was not a problem on the S8, it was more of a problem on the Plus variant, where the fingerprint scanner would be almost unreachable. The display on the device is stunning, and we had said this in our Galaxy S9 Plus review. The touch is quite smooth and the icons appear floating on the screen. So if there's something great about the S9, it's the display. Now let's compare it with the S9 Plus.
The S9 has only one camera at the back. So what's there to lose, you say? Well, not plenty. The secondary camera on the S9 Plus brings 2 distinct features. One, it gives optical zoom to the phone, so you can take close-up shots or zoom in to get better details. And second, the phone has a portrait mode that gives you blurry backgrounds or a DSLR-like effect for portrait images. On the S9, it is replaced with a selective focus mode that uses software to create the similar effect. The difference is huge. Otherwise, the S9 camera has all the same features like slow motion recording, AR emojis, variable aperture, which is the best part, and a full-blown manual mode that the S9 Plus comes with. But in comparison, the Galaxy S9 is a very handy smartphone. It is lighter, smaller, and much more handy to use in daily life. In fact, when you hold these 2 phones, you will like the Galaxy S9. Though its display size is smaller, it is not small. The Galaxy S9 measures close to iPhone 8, for example, but packs much more screen, that too without a notch. For most part, it's adequate and makes for a very ergonomic device. On the other hand, apart from a bigger display, the Galaxy S9 Plus gives you a bigger battery, and more RAM under the hood. But both these things don't have a big impact. A bigger battery is used up for powering a bigger display, so technically you get the same screen on time. Also, practically we didn't find any difference in the performance of these two phones. 6 months down the line, more RAM may give S9 Plus an edge, but that will rather depend heavily on the optimization Samsung does to the interface rather than just the hardware. So which of these two phones would you prefer to buy? The big screen Galaxy S9 Plus or the more handy Galaxy S9? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you have liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest tech videos delivered to you directly to your inbox. Thank you for watching.